Welcome to FP Markets. To deposit through Cricpayz Netbanking, please log into your client portal. On the left-hand side of your portal, select the Funding tab and choose Deposit. Select the account you want to fund and navigate to Alternative Payment Methods, where you must choose Cricpayz Netbanking. You will then be directed to choose your deposit amount. Select from the pre-designated funding options or enter a custom amount and click Deposit. A new window will subsequently open, guiding you through the Cricpayz Netbanking deposit process. You will be required to enter your Cricpayz Netbanking account details and confirm the transaction. Congratulations! You have successfully completed the funding process with Cricpayz Netbanking at FP Markets.